Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How many of you are guilty of this? You know you need to back up your data, but every time you look at the options, they're either expensive, overly complicated, or just don't feel reliable. You tell yourself, I'll do it later. But what happens when later is too late? That's why today I'm going to introduce you to a tool that is easy, reliable, and best of all, completely free. It's called Personal Backup by Dr. Jürgen Rathlev. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this feature-packed software is all you need to protect your personal files. Getting started is simple. Head over to the official website and download the installer. The installer is small and it doesn't try to sneak in any extra software. When you open it, the interface might look a little old school, but don't let that fool you. It's powerful. Unlike many freemium options that hide the best features behind a paywall, this one offers powerful functionality right out of the box. The easiest way to create your first backup is with the Backup Wizard. Here, select a backup destination like a local drive or an FTP or file server on your network. Here, you can select the directories to backup. You'll also see options to compress and encrypt your data. These are excellent features to use. Now let's set it to run automatically. Head to the time schedule options. You can schedule it for a specific time and day or use the Windows Task Scheduler for more advanced configurations. With everything configured, click Start Backup. The program will run your first backup. You can sit back and relax, knowing your files are being safely copied. You can select whether to shut down, log off, or hibernate your PC once the backup is done. Restoring files is just as simple. You'll use the built-in restore function. Personal backup focuses on saving your personal data, your documents, photos, and folders, not your entire system, which is a different, more complex task. In a world where so many apps want your money, personal backup stands out. It's a complete, free solution for your personal file backups that gives you peace of mind. It may not have the super sleek interface, of a paid product, but it more than makes up for it with its rock-solid features and reliability. So if you've been putting off your backups, there's no excuse now. Give personal backup a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.